Wait, wait. Uncle Yizzle TV, what's the math on it? I got half on it. They done picked up Yella Beezy? Oh my God, for Mo3 murder is crazy. Picking up Yella Beezy for Mo3 murder is crazy when the streets really knew he, felt like he had something to do with it. Do you feel me? But I was clicking around, and I seen that he went to jail, but it wasn't saying what he went to jail for. Like, I pulled it up. It's right here. Let me see. I got him pulled up right here. But it wasn't telling me what he in there for because he hasn't magistrated yet. Understand me on that. Magistration is that first judge you go to tell you your bond and all that. He haven't done that. So it looked like he ain't got no bond automatically. But with what I seen on Say Cheese Instagram, actually I seen it before Say Cheese Instagram, but it was this right here. Warrant of arrest. They saying feds, but it's not the feds. This is a state case. You see it right there? The state of Texas versus Marquise D. Conway. The state of Texas. This is not a federal case. This is a state case. That don't make it no better because it's still an M. You know what I'm saying? And they done been doing their math since what? 2020 when Mo3 passed? He passed in 2020, right? They done been doing their math since then. You feel me? So they done put something together. Somebody said something or talked or something. Hey. If you got tickets right now, boy, you better pay them because they ain't playing. They just picked up the Rolling 60s. They got Dirk. They got Yella Beezy. Who they getting next? They cooking. Hey, the law enforcement. Hey, man, listen, man. If you got tickets, boy, you better go pay them, or you better be a law-abiding citizen, cause law enforcement is cracking down on everything, bro. Especially rappers. They BTA on rappers right now. They putting belt to ass, boy. All that stuff you talking about in them songs and all this stuff y'all run. Hey, they putting belt to ass. So, with that being said, if somebody who you have been publicly beefing with, something happens to them, and then they find out who did it, and you have a picture with this person, Lil CJ Casino, they looking at you. I promise you. They looking at you. They checking you out, I promise you. They ain't playing no games right now. They is cooking. What Lil Beezy song said? I'm up one. I'm up one. Ah, nah, you ain't up one no more, boy. You down 1,000. Down 1,000. They just picked him up today. On this joint, it say 4:45 p.m. So it's crazy how yesterday you could be doing everything you wanted to do, and life is great. And today, you cooking in the county. You cooking in the county, and you gotta do hard time because this, man, hey, and I BS you not. Mo3 was loved in the state of Texas, so you got some fades to catch down that way, boy. You got some fades waiting. Woo, you got some fades waiting. I promise you got some fades waiting. And I don't wish jail on nobody. You know what I'm saying? I don't wish death on nobody. I wish everybody peace, but it's just a situation where if he did have anything remotely to do with it, as far as even just saying out loud one day, whoever catch him, like, yeah, I'm gonna put you down. That's really enough for them to, if they got somebody telling them that you said that and this person gonna stand on the stand and confirm, and then they got messages, cause I know after the nigga, you know what I'm saying, after the boy got down, who the first person he gonna hit? The money man. So if they got text messages or anything between y'all, like, yeah, you cooked. You cooked. Seared, fried, dyed, laid to the side in the pan. That's the plan. Woo! You got some fades to catch you going down that way though, cause it's some diehard Mo3 fans that you can't argue with about Mo3, and I don't. You know what I'm saying? Cause there is no argument. That dude was talented. That dude was definitely talented. one of the top to ever come out the D. The boy was talented. He had it. You know what I'm saying? And now this is where we at. He been gone for what, 5 years? And now, boys getting cooked for it. Ugh. Yesterday, boys was up. Today, boys is down. I wonder what Trap Boy got to say about it. Or just how he feels, just like thoughts. Because I don't feel like he might have had nothing. I can't speak because we don't know what they doing. They around go pick him up too. Not wishing that on him. I hope he didn't have nothing to do with it. I wish he didn't have nothing to do with it. I wish this was a random act of this fool just seeing the man and, it'd be like that. But, and that still might be the case. But the fact of the matter is, if there was any contact between you and the person who allegedly did the hit, on or after the hit, then they can put that together and make it seem like, oh yeah, that was me hitting him, letting him know, oh yeah, I'll show you the text message. Hey, I got him. I don't know what the text messages say. I'm gonna do some more digging though. I need to see the whole affidavit, bro. I wonder when that drop. I'm gonna keep checking for the affidavit because we need to go over this. This ain't small news. This tall news. This bigger than all news, man. They just got the 6 O's, Big U Nim, Brick Baby, Loose Cannon. And I seen a video of Loose Cannon saying that Big U called him 30 minutes before Nip got hit, telling him that Nip got hit. And he called Nip and Nip answered the phone. And then Nip get hit. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a lot going on right now. And it's all disturbingly interesting. You feel me? So we staying locked and loaded on this one. But Yella Beezy, oh my boy. Oh, his career ain't been the same since Mo3 passed anyway. His biggest song was That's On Me. And then after that, Mo3 was gone and it just wasn't no recovery. I don't know whether it was just him and not having another hit to put out or just losing the steam from, the heat of being a possible suspect in that and people knowing it, so people not rocking. I don't know what it was, bro. All I know is his career was never the same, and now 5 years later, he in the joint. Charging him with the offense of capital murder while remuneration. I don't even know what that means, so we finna figure out what that means before we go any further. What does remuneration meaning? Money paid for work or service. No additional. Oh yeah, okay. So getting paid for it. So they saying he paid for the hit. Man, that's crazy, man. And they say he got it looked like I seen somewhere that he got arrested in Collin County. He got arrested in Collin County, man. The grand jury of Dallas County, state of Texas, duly organized at the January team AD 2025 of the Criminal District Court number 4 for said county upon its oath do present and to said court at said term. That sounded crazy, but I read through it. You know what I'm saying? I can read, I just don't like to. I be getting ahead of myself and whatever. I might be dyslexic, but we gonna work it out. That Marquise Conway, hereinafter called defendant on or about the 11th day of November 2020. So they saying he called him in the county of Dallas, state of Texas, did then and there intentionally and knowingly cause the death of Melvin Noble, an individual hereinafter called deceased by employing Keywan White to murder deceased for remuneration and the promise of remuneration, namely United States currency, from defendant, and pursuant to said agreement, Keywan White did then and there intentionally and knowingly cause the death of the said deceased by shooting deceased with a firearm, a deadly weapon. They saying they got the cause. If they got the cause, they got your balls, boy. You cooked. That's cold. But like I say, man, hey man, it's all fun and games until you young niggas take this too serious to where people start getting hurt in a public beef. I am not beefing with you publicly. If we beefing publicly, there is gonna be no bloodshed, I promise you. If we beefing publicly, it's because we both know and we in on it. Hopefully, we in on it. But if you beefing with me publicly, I'm not gonna respond. I will play the sucker. But if I really want to get down, I'm gonna get down. But I'm gonna play the sucker. I ain't got nothing to do with that. I'll let 5 years go past and you'll get tapped on. You hear me? You hear different. But I no longer live like that, so there's no need to talk like that. But what I'm telling you is it's fun and games until your rap stories come to true life. And I ain't talking about the part about the money. That's the good part. That's the part you want to come to life. The bad part is what you don't want to come to life. But y'all be letting that come to life. And it be hunting y'all and it drag y'all down and it take you out tricked you out your position. Y'all get tricked out of y'all position all the time. Trying to be overly gangster. It's not that serious, bro. It's not that serious. If we all getting money, what's the problem? Why we beefing? We feeding our kids. We changing our family's whole. We redirecting our family's history path. You feel me? So what we beefing for? Why we ain't chilling? We ain't got to be shaking hands, being friends, rubbing shoulders and elbows together. We ain't got to be on the same boats, popping the same bottles, cracking the same models. We ain't got to do none of that. We can be on total different sides of the earth. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, bro. Insane. Hello. Hold on right quick. Let me end this video because I'm done talking about these fools, man. But yeah, anyways, man. That's all I got to say about the situation. Take it how you want, Uncle Yizzle TV. What's the math on it? You know the rest.